starts today, oh hey. In the bus we ride all day, mountains tall and canyon deep, nature's secrets we shall keep.
Geology comes to light, rocks so ancient, what a sight. Layers tell a tale so old, stories in their folds unfold. Grand Canyon calling, echoes falling, adventures starting, hearts are racing.
Animals big and small we see, birds above us flying free. From the eagles to the deer, every creature we hold dear.
History whispers in the breeze, long ago and far from ease. Natives lived and made their way in the canyon's grand display. Bus rolls on through sun and sand, guided by a gentle hand. With every curve and winding bend, we learn and grow with each new friend. Geology comes to light, rocks so ancient, what a sight. Rocks so ancient, what a sight.